going on, TF gang? It's your boy Titanic Feet Jack back at you again with another video. Today we taking a look at another pair of kicks. We got that heat on deck. Y'all see the box. Like to welcome everybody back. If this your first time seeing one of the videos and would like to become part of the TF gang, just listen up. We can help you join the family. First, you watch the video, then you like the video, leave a comment. Most of all, subscribe to the channel and also turn on post notifications. If you're having challenges with the post notifications, please let me know in the comments. It was brought to my attention that some people were not able to turn on post notifications when they come to this video. I'm working with my team of technical guys to work this out. Okay, we about to get into the sneaker. You see the box. Jordan Jumpman, Nike Air again underneath. Y'all see the box. Let's go ahead, read the label. Air Jordan 5 Retro Color Great. What that says? Ice, New Emerald, and Black. US size 14. Price $190 US. Okay, let's go ahead and take the sneaker out of the box. You have your standard black trash bag paper. Go ahead and check them out. We got the Great Fives, the reverse Great Fives. Get a closer look at this sneaker. Give you a quick 360. Yes, guys, we have the reverse Great Retro 5s on deck. Tell me what you think about these, guys. Were you able to get these? Because I know some stores had not received their pairs yet on release date. And release date was pushed a day back to try to help the stores get their pairs in time, but some stores still didn't receive their pairs on time. So let me know, were you able to get you a pair? I didn't hit on sneakers. I actually hit on an online raffle, and I was surprised when I got the email with the invoice. I went really fast, and I went through the paying process, and I paid for this sneaker. I was like, let me go ahead and get this. But let's get into the sneaker. You have the upper of the sneaker is a grain of suede. You can see it changed direction in the grape colorway. You have your smoke gray plastic window tint right here. It's like a smoke gray. It's not clear like it was on the fire red 5s. And you have your black hits for your eyelids right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, going to your midsole, you have that black midsole. You have that new emerald shark teeth with a little paint speckles on them. And you have translucent here on the midsole, which goes onto the outsole. Let's see. We got your air unit, which is white. No window tint on these. Let's go ahead to the outsole. Black outsole, translucent heel, translucent toe. We have that great Jordan Jumpman. Get a good look at that. And the black at the toe completes the outsole. Let's go ahead and look at the heel of the sneaker. Got that great with the stitched on Jordan Jumpman in black. Okay, look at the inside of the sneaker. Have more of that nice grain of suede. Have your smoked out plastic right here. And you have your black hits on your eyelids right here. All on your upper. Midsole, black again. Have your air system, which is white on the inside. You have that new emerald right here with paint speckles. And you have that translucent all on the midsole. Toe box. Give you a closer look at the suede on the toe box. Comment below, what do you think of this suede, guys? I know one thing, gonna have to be really careful when I wear these. And I'm gonna have to treat it with something before I attempt to step out in these, because this appears to be a pair of kicks that can get ruined fairly easy. But look at the toe box. We have that purple toe box, or grape toe box. Comes with black laces. This is the only pair of laces they came with. And you have your smoke gray plastic going all the way up the tongue. You have your clear lace lock with a new emerald push pin. And you have your tongue. Your tongue is black with the new Emerald Jordan Jumpman. The tongue is 3M. So that's a pretty cool feature on these. Look on the inside. Get out the shoe tree. Standard shoe tree. Size 13, 14. I'm going to sit that here. And see, give you guys a look on the inside. I should have prepared this before this video. Bear with me. You take a look at the inside of the sneaker. You have a new emerald insole with the black Jordan Jumpman. Both shoes are exactly the same. There's not really any difference in the sneakers. Comment below. Were you able to get these? What do you really think of these sneakers? We're going to take one quick look, another 360 at these sneakers, and we're going to wrap up the video. Yes, and guys, when you wear these kicks, you know you got to step on the scene. You got to be fresh. You got to coordinate. Say it with me. Coordinate. Got a little something to go with these. Hey, check this out. Y'all can see that. Got the Jordan shirt. It's black. Grape, new emerald. Had the J on one sleeve, ORDA, and N on the other. Copped this from I think I got this from Champs a while back. But yeah. There's one option you guys could wear with this sneaker. Comment below. Tell me any ideas you got for wearing this sneaker in the comment section. Yes, guys, we back at you. Now, this shoe, I don't know. Just like every release lately, it's been a tough cop. I luckily got these, but I'm not sure what does this say about the future of getting these sneakers, but it's almost like you have to pay that, what we like to call that finder's fee. Because getting that retail is the chances are dwindling and dwindling fast, guys. So tell me, what was this release like in your city? Comment below. And like always, leave that hashtag TF Gang behind all your comments, guys. We about to be trending around the world, guys. Any comments you may have, comment hashtag TF Gang, guys. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. And if you want to see more videos from myself, turn on your post notifications. And that lets you know when the TF Gang congregates on here. Excuse me. Also, watch the video, like the video, leave a comment. Let me know how y'all doing. And most of all, subscribe to the channel, guys. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Titanic Feet Jack signing out.